So our next contestant for today is from Team Westeros. The contestant is Karlyachi Bhaji. It comes from a state which has a city that is the Wall Street of India, along with the potholes. Like its state, it has its bitterness and sweetness well balanced. So let's give a huge round of applause to Karlyachi Bhaji. Bitter gourd, peanuts, garam masala, jaggery, red chili powder, cumin coriander powder, salt. For tadka, oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, coriander seeds and turmeric powder. Now cut the bitter gourd lengthwise, chop them into equal sized pieces. Add the chopped pieces into a bowl of water and add salt to mix it well. Salt makes the bitter gourd release the juice and it takes away some bitterness. Now in a kadai, heat some oil. Add some peanuts and start preparing the tadka. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, turmeric powder. Now add the bitter melon pieces by removing all the water. Stir fry for 3 to 2 minutes. Now add the peanuts. After that add red chili powder, cumin coriander powder, garam masala and finally some salt. Mix everything together. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now at last add jaggery. Cook it for further 2 minutes. Plate it properly. Grated coconut. Thanks for listening. आणि मला वोट पाडा. जय महाराष्ट्र.